Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable or disable mouse acceleration on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So for this guys, just follow this easy and simple method. So press Windows key button and here you want to search mouse settings and hit enter. From here you want to open the additional mouse option, just click on it and here you can get this type of interface. Just open the pointer option. Here you can get the option enhance pointer precision. From here you can easily enable and disable mouse acceleration on your Windows 10 and 11 PC. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.